Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are going to start the Fat Quarter Shop's 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month. This is block 1. It's called Clear Sky, and it's by Corey Yoder, and this is her fabric line that we are using. This is the backing set. I also ordered the finishing kit, but that has not yet arrived. These are the fabrics that we're going to use. They're cute. And I like this back, and it's a white tone-on-tone. You probably cannot see the design on there. It's the same design as this that is on here. So we're going to make this start. Let me get the pieces cut up, and I will be back. Okay, I have all the pieces cut out, but I did not follow the cutting instructions from the pattern. They want you to cut out a bunch of triangles and put those together. I am going to do 2 at a time, half square triangles, and then put those together. I have 4 of the green that are 4.5 inch, 2 of the orange that are 4.5 inch, and 2 of the white that are 4.5 inch. Then I've got 2 orange and 2 white with the print that are 3.5 inch, and then the rest is the regular cut size. So let's get to the sewing machine and get these put together. Okay, I'm going to start with the quarter square triangles. I've got my pieces marked with my 1/2 inch ruler from corner to corner. Or you can just draw one line from corner to corner and sew 1/4 inch on each side. But I like to sew on the line. And the tone on tone, you want to make sure, for the white, that it is right sides together. Okay, I'm going to cut down the middle between the seams, press them open. I am not going to trim them yet. And then I will be back. Okay, I have them all put together. They are all pressed towards the green. I am going to take the orange ones and I am going to mark them again with the 1/2 inch ruler. Okay, now we're going to take 1 orange and 1 white, and we're going to put the greens opposite of each other, and we are going to nest those seams, and you can feel it with your fingers that they're kind of locked together. And then we will sew. Now again, I'm going to cut in between there, press them open, and we will have our quarter square triangle with the 2 greens opposite, and then the white and the orange. And I will be right back when I get these pressed. Okay, now we have 8 trimmed hourglass units or quarter square triangle units, however you want to put it. And we are going to make 4 pairs, and we are going to put them together. So the green is together, the whites are on one side, and the orange is on the other side. These will not nest unless I sew half of them the other way. I'm going to press half of them the other way. So now those will nest. we are going to have 4 units like that. Okay, now that we've got these sewn together and pressed open, we're going to set those aside for a minute, and we are going to do our combination units. So I've got one white and orange. It's not actually orange, it's probably like a dark coral or something. These 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, there we go. These ones have the white print, so you're going to need 2 sets, and that will make 4. I think I'm missing a piece. Okay, I'm going to get those cut and pressed. Okay, I only needed to make 1 of these, so I just needed 1 of each of these squares. And then you're going to take your print, mark it for 2 at a time half square triangles, and you're going to put this line catty corner to this one, and so. Okay, let me get these cut apart and pressed, and then we can put the block together. Okay, now that we have our combination units done, we are going to put the inner block together. Whoops, that goes, the orange goes towards the outside. Oops. And then we'll just put it together like a 9 patch. The top and bottom will be pressed to the outside, and these will be pressed towards the center. Okay, this is the inner block, and now we're going to take, we're going to match up the colors. And then we've got our corner blocks. Again, you want to make sure right side is up. And that is what our block is going to look like. And again, we just put it together like a 9 patch and press the same way we did before. Okay, there it is. Block 1 of the 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month from Fret Quarter Shop. And that again is the Clear Sky pattern. And I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.